It's great to be joined by John West at Liberty Packaging Systems. John, tell me a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, Liberty Packaging Systems, we've been around for over 20 years now, part of Addressing and Mailing Solutions, AMS. It's been rebranded to Liberty Packaging because it's packaging side of it. But we've got a relationship with an Italian manufacturer that makes superb machines. They're really nice, all fully automatic. There's no pneumatics involved with them at all. It's all electronic, all servo motor run. Automatic L sealers, so you can just make bags, but you can then shrink those bags if you want to. So we do all sorts of things. This machine is the Rapmatic 240, which means it will do up to 240 millimeters high by 400 millimeters wide by 600 long. We've got a big brother version that will do 360 high by 600 wide by infinite length. Or there's a side sealing version of this which would also do infinite length. So if you've got any ladders or extrusions or things like that that need doing, we can do that for you.
Lovely. So let's take a little walk down and just see the full breadth of the machine as well. And yes, if you'd like to show us how it operates, that'd be perfect.
Everything is operated from the screen here. And you can do up to 256 recipes into there, customer loaded recipes, all very easy to use, very easy for the operators to use. The operator comes in the morning, chooses which recipe, the machine will set itself up in order to do that. But let me just show you how it works. If I put some blocks through, just load them onto the end here, and it will go as fast as an operator can load it, up to 3,600 an hour. And as you can see, it's going through the machine and automatically makes a bag. And once the bag is made, it's going into a shrink tunnel here. And as it comes out the other end, you'll find that they have been shrunk nicely. What we're using here, the films we're using, are a very high-tech film called polyolefin. So this is a 23 micron film, but actually you can get it down to maybe a 9 micron, something like that. So very, very thin film, so it's really environmentally friendly. Everything is 100% recyclable. So you're using very thin films, so you're not using up a lot of petrochemicals. But equally, it's doing a superb job. You know, this very thin film is very, very tough indeed. So it's quite.
And you mentioned that you have a presence in Italy. Is there plans to expand in the future?
No, we have these machines made for us in Italy. That's what happens. So, but we've got 11 engineers who have used the same sort of products for 11 years, for 22 years rather, and they're very familiar with them, and they're very happy to use them. So it's good. There's another machine over here called our Compact, and it's compact because it does the same job as that with a automatic L sealer here, and then the shrink tunnel is built in. And this particular one has got a return conveyor system on it, so you could use it as a single operator use. And it's really designed for maybe security packaging and things like that, where you've got one operator who looks after it, or for maybe a smaller company where they want somebody to load and unload at the same time. And it's very simple again to use. We've got it set up for mugs at the moment, and all you do is pop a mug onto the line. It automatically wraps it, sends it through the shrink tunnel, and then when they come out the other end, they run round on the belt. Eventually they come out, I hope. Cups are a bit of an awkward thing to come round. There we go.
Keeping us on tenterhooks there.
It'll send it back round down to the operator. So it's a nice, easy way for it to work.
Excellent.
Good machines, not terribly expensive either. This whole setup's only 23,000 at the show, and the other machine is around about 30,000 plus a tunnel. So not terribly expensive for what they do, I would suggest.
Great. So why is it so important to have a presence here then at Packaging Innovations?
It's where everybody comes if they want some packaging. It's been a pretty busy show for us in the past. We've had some good leads out of it. We've had some very good sales from people who are, quite important in the packaging world. All sorts of different things, from newspaper companies to people who do honey to biscuit manufacturers, all sorts of different things.
Thank you very much for your time, John.
You're welcome. Thank you.